Yes. I just thought I'd look at this Constitution, but when you go through all those privately owned ATMs, yeah, every place that you can remove some money, yeah, that is not bank owned, but it is credit union owned, yes. I'd like to know all the transactions and the actual amounts that they're paying in fees. It's not that somebody wormed the fish population, isn't that right, dog? Where they were going to have sex with all the big breasted virgins, right? Confusing the heterosexuality of the majority of the population. Pooh. And then the only persons that would would well, I'd just like to know how much you make from each one of those and exactly how they're connected. Now, for every individual that doesn't like going to a bank because they happen to be in the family and you don't care how much it costs for you to get some money out as long as you can buy what you want. There's what's known as the doctrine of strict necessity. Has repeatedly declared that it will decide constitutional issues only if strict necessity compels it to do so. Now, I know that I'm not motioning the Supreme Court of the United States, so did you want to strictly necessitate yourself so as to enforce the law? You know, we have a lot of different ways to get money in the United States, and I'm kind of thinking that the fraudulent use of proofs of service, right? Contempt of court. Mm. There could be some problem in the Supreme Court. Now, I want to know every transaction of all privately owned ATMs and all credit union owned ATMs and how much you've been getting in fees. Because if I found out that you were charged